everybody, let's go outside. Take your time. I've got to clean barn stalls. It's going to be super fun. There she goes, making her way to the chickens. Did you find a good scratching post? That works. Our two blue Swedish ducks are Blue and Dilly. It's a male and female. No, you can't hang over by the chickens while I clean the barn. You got to be with me. You can go chill with the goats. Hey, Aria. How's it going? Probably feels good in the shade, huh, Brienne? Ladies, I need you out of there so I can clean it. Come on. There you go. Charlotte, I think you got to come in the barn. I don't trust you out here on your own, and the goats aren't going to babysit you. Are you going to watch me clean the barn stalls?
Jangan terlalu laju pacoe, tahan-tahan tenaga kita goyang santai. Kasih tempo biar keringat santai, sengaja bikin pelan kasih minyak lantai. Kasih slow.
Do you want to hear a secret?
Yeah?
Timon's my favorite from The Lion King, not Simba. Do you think I look like Timon when I stand like this? It means no worries for the rest of your days. Do you like my singing voice? Be Pumbaa and sing along. I say Hakuna, you say
Matata.
Hakuna Matata.
Now I'm so happy to say that today the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species. Yeah, I guess you could say she's relieved about that. Come on, Mika, get out. Come on, Mika. Mika, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Mika, come on.
Hey, what did he do to you?
I know. Poor thing.
Dude, I think he's pissed. I think he's just crossing his arms. He's so pissed. Are you okay?
Karen, you can take your brat energy elsewhere. Take your brat energy elsewhere.
Koniec? Rotusiu? Już? Taka brudna jesteś? Taka jesteś brudna? Tak? Chcesz trochę, no? Proszę. Rączkę daj. No. O, myj. Myj ładnie, no. Jej. Chcesz jeszcze? No. Tak. Rączka. No. Myj. Myj ładnie. Rączki. Nie, rączki myj. Świetnie. Jej. Myj ładnie. To jest P. To jest P, no. Myj. Chcesz jeszcze? Proszę. Rączka. No i myj. Rączki myj. Rączki myjemy, tak. Myjemy rączki. Ślicznie. Ślicznie, tak. Jest. Koniec?
All right.
Get him! How's your knee? Oh, he's got his wiener out.
All right, getting back. Getting back.
Oh, my.
We're my best friend. When you were my best friend.
You guys have to see the stick my big German Shepherd wants me to throw. Hold on. Wait. This big dog literally wants me to throw this stick is what he keeps bringing back. Go get it.
All right, let's get through the chimney. No hesitate, no hesitate. Come on, let's go before we get caught. You know the drill. Ah, damn. Hey, Malik. Hey, I think they done caught us here recording too. What do I do? What do we do? Look, bro, I'm gonna need you to put the camera down and delete this footage because if I see this shit on Facebook or TikTok, I'm gonna beat the f out of you while Animal Control watch. And if you snitch on us, best believe we gonna strangle that weak-ass pit bull you got in that house. Don't make us put these thumbs to use, all right?
Here. Come here. Kieran, come here. Come here.
It's the local turkey gang. Turkey gang! Squad up, boys.
Really cute. He's like, I went out of toys. It's so funny. True.
Oh no! Oh, Mom, look!
What?
Uh-oh, Pepe.
Now what?
Oh, really?
Oh.
Babe, have you seen my scrunchie? Mika, why do you have my scrunchie? Why do you have it? Baby, I need it back. Give it back.
See, petting your dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.